Today we're diving into an exciting semiconductor stock. You guessed it, Micron Technology. As you may know, the ticker symbol is MU. Micron is a global leader in the semiconductor industry, specializing in memory and storage solutions that power everything from AI to cloud computing. Hey everyone, welcome back to 15M Finance. I'm John, and before I continue, if you find this information useful and I have earned it, then please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as this will help me out immensely. Also, remember that this is not financial advice and this video is for educational purposes. Now let's get into it. Before we jump into why Micron is catching analysts' attention, let's talk about the challenges it faces in the semiconductor industry. The memory and storage sector is highly cyclical. Pricing for DRAM and high bandwidth memory, the main products Micron produces, can fluctuate depending on supply and demand. Additionally, geopolitical tensions, particularly between the US and China, have raised concerns about supply chain disruptions and export restrictions. For example, recent US trade policies limiting exports of advanced chips to China have directly impacted Micron, as China is a key market for their business. Despite these headwinds, Micron has shown resilience. They've been strategically investing in cutting-edge technology like AI-compatible chips, which brings us to the next point. So, what makes Micron a compelling investment opportunity? For one, the growing demand for AI, cloud computing, and data centers presents a massive market opportunity for memory and storage solutions. Micron is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Furthermore, the company has a robust financial foundation with consistent R&D spending, which ensures that they stay ahead in innovation. Lastly, with the stock trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of 28.7, Micron is reasonably priced compared to its future growth potential. Let's take a closer look at the analyst ratings for Micron on TipRanks. The stock is rated as a strong buy by 22 analysts. The average 12-month price target is $136, which implies a 42.93% upside from its current price of $95.15. The high price target stands at $250, while the low is $98. If we go deeper into individual analysts' price targets, Hans Mosesmann from Rosenblatt Securities has the most bullish target at $250, reflecting a 162% upside. Aaron Rakers from Wells Fargo sees the stock at $140, and Jim Kelleher from Argus Research forecasts a price increase to $170. The consensus is clear. Analysts believe Micron is poised for significant growth. Now let's check out Micron's technicals on TradingView. Looking at the weekly chart, Micron is currently trading within a range, with strong support around $80 and resistance at $110. The EMA clouds show consolidation, indicating potential for a breakout if it surpasses the 110 resistance level. Volume trends suggest accumulation at current levels, which could signal upcoming bullish movement. This technical setup makes Micron an interesting play for both long-term investors and short-term traders waiting for a breakout. Let's talk about Micron's recent earnings call and guidance. The company reported strong growth in its data center segment, showing a 40% sequential revenue growth and a staggering 288% year-over-year increase in Q1 of 2025 alone. This segment now contributes to over 50% of Micron's overall revenue, a clear indicator of their strategic focus on enterprise-level solutions. They're also leading in advanced memory technologies like HBM and LPDDR5X, with significant market share gains expected by the second half of 2025. Furthermore, Micron continues to innovate with industry-first products like PCIe Gen 5 60TB SSDs, solidifying their edge in manufacturing. However, it wasn't all positive. Challenges persist in the NAND market, including pricing pressures and lower shipments, leading to declining gross margins. While the data center growth paints an optimistic picture, weaker performance in consumer-oriented segments balances out the outlook. Overall, analysts remain optimistic, maintaining a strong buy rating based on these highlights and the company's robust position in enterprise and data center SSDs. Let's review Micron's earnings performance and projections. Micron has had a solid year despite the cyclical challenges of the semiconductor industry. Over the past 12 months, they reported total revenue of $29 billion, with a gross profit of $9 billion. What stands out here is the operating income of $461 billion, which demonstrates their ability to manage costs effectively in a challenging environment. Compared to previous years, Micron's financials show resilience, navigating volatile market conditions and leveraging opportunities in high-growth sectors like data centers. In Q1 2024, Micron reported an EPS of -0.95, beating analyst expectations of -$1.01. While the numbers are still in the negative, this improvement signals a clear recovery trajectory. What's next for Micron? The estimates for Q2 2025 show an expected EPS of 1.45, a significant rebound from the negative EPS reported in previous quarters. This aligns with their revenue forecasts, which predict continued growth, driven by demand for memory and storage products in AI, cloud computing, and data centers. Micron's forward-looking strategy, including investments in cutting-edge technologies like HBM and PCIe Gen 5 SSDs, positions them for strong performance in 2025 and beyond. In my opinion, Micron is a stock worth considering for both growth investors and tech enthusiasts. With its strong fundamentals, optimistic analyst ratings, and technical signals showing possible upside, the case for Micron looks strong. That said, don't overlook the cyclical nature of the semiconductor industry and geopolitical risks. What are your thoughts on Micron? Are you as bullish as the analysts, or do you see challenges ahead? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching 15M Finance. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing.